How to change chart height in Bybit application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Bybit app and want to make your trading chart larger or smaller, then adjusting the chart height can give you a better view of price movements and technical indicators. First of all, launch open the Bybit application on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on Markets from the bottom. Now select the currency pair you want to analyze from the menu, and once you end up in this chart page, click on the gear icon right above the chart. From the chart settings, you'll see a chart height slider at the bottom. Just go ahead and move the slider towards the right to increase the chart height. To decrease the chart height, move it towards the left. So there you have it. That's how you change your chart height in Bybit application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.